Hello! I am here today to tell you about my favorite subscription box. Now, I have been getting subscription boxes for the past few years. As I've discussed before, we use like an allowance system where both hubby and I get our own spending money so we can use it on whatever we want. So when I do choose to try out a subscription box, I don't feel guilty. I don't feel like it's coming out of the grocery budget. There's no worries. I just get it. I get what I want and I give it a try. And I have tried a number of them over the past few years. A lot I haven't liked, or I felt like they've been wasteful. But there's one that I love, and I will keep going back to this one always and forever. I have kept this subscription probably for 2 years straight. It's called Therabox, and it is aimed at a natural, holistic life. It is items that are like good for your well-being, good for the earth. It supports great causes, and it is a bargain because you know I'm a cheapskate. So, okay, let me show you what I got. I was actually a little bit late opening this one. It's been sitting on my dresser for like 2 weeks. So I was like, oh my God, I should probably record that. I bet you guys would like to see what's in it. Okay, so these are about $35 and then plus tax shipped. And they come with so much more than that. So you open it up and there's always this nice little like recycled tissue and then a little information. And this theme is a New Year's reset for January. And let me show you what we got. Okay, so let's start with the most beautiful face toner ever. Can you see? There's like daisy petals in it. Daisy toner. I'm almost out of toner, so this will be great. Okay, seriously gorgeous, this face toner. Let's see. Beauty Paupiere is the brand. Daisy toner. Value is $25. And it is short, but it looks like a fairly large bottle. Boom, boom. How much is in it? I don't know. How many ounces? 200 grams. What is that? 6-8 ounces? So, it looks amazing. Should we smell it? Ooh, it's light, super, super light, and a little bit florally. Oh, this will be so nice. Looking forward to it. My toner's almost gone, so yay. Okay, next up, what should we open next? There's so many things in here. Let's do another face one. This one, Dr. Botanicals. This is a coffee and walnut superfood renewing face exfoliator. It's not huge. It's only over an ounce, 1.1 ounces. This is, but it looks nice. Facial exfoliator. And we know when we exfoliate our face, we don't need that much. So this is probably going to last a while. It has coffee, oil, fine walnut shell powder, caffeic acid, antioxidants, boosts collagen. It sounds lovely. Absolutely lovely. Ooh, the value on this one is $16.90. I do want to open it. Oh, it has kaolin clay in it. That like sucks dirt out of your pores. That's really good stuff. It smells like a little bit like kind of a deep clean product. Not getting too much, maybe like the tiniest hint. Like maybe you walked past a coffee shop down the block and just a tiny whiff of that. Okay, let's see what else we got here. I think there's one more face thing. All right, we'll do this one. Morning Googly Eye Mask. We've all done face masks before. Super fun. Cooling eye mask to depuff, brighten, infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protectors. So this looks like just one mask. Let's find it on here. This is a $5 value. Looks super fun. I love to do these in the bath. I actually have a little basket next to my bath where I keep my face masks. So if you are lucky enough to have a bath, I do highly recommend you keep face masks there. That is a great place to make sure that they're getting used. Okay, next up. Oh, and the last face item. This is definitely a kind of a facial theme box, isn't it? Laguna Herbals Face and Eye Elixir. If you've ever used a face serum, it's one of my favorite things to use, just like natural oils that are so good for your skin. All skin types, mild rose scent. That sounds lovely. This is a $54 item. If you know, face serums are packed with super expensive oils. What does this have in it? Apricot kernel, which is good for wrinkles, grapeseed, jojoba, sea buckthorn, chamomile, rose, calendula, plantain, a little bit of essential oils, and vitamin E, as well as sunflower oil. So that'll be super awesome. That sounds lovely. Okay, another fun thing we have in here, which maybe I've seen these before. This is called a friendly patch. It is number 3 on here, a stress patch. So it has 28 patches that you put on your body. It makes me think of like those old school like nicotine patches. But maybe they're a little more hip now for like natural purposes. So it helps you alleviate stress and general tension with a powerhouse of all natural ingredients to fortify your body and mind, helping you to relax and reset with ease. Ashwagandha, GABA, magnesium, gotu kola, L-theanine, eucalyptus oil, and hop flower powder is what it has in it. So it's almost like topical herbs and essential oils. So that is really fun. I will try that out. Ooh, this would be a really good one to share with my teens. I bet they would love that. Don't you think? I would think so. Alrighty, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this one looks fun. So this one, oh wait, did I tell you the value on that? What was the value? Boom, boom, number 3. $30. 28-day supply to lower your stress. Okay, the next one. This, I've never tried one, which they're so popular. An herbal inhaler. Number 7 here. $8 value. So just a little item. Palm size inhaler with a blend of 7 herbs. Spicy pepper, menthol, energetic clove, and more. Let's see, fun fact. Oh, this is a small women-owned business from the islands in Southeast Asia. Say that 3 times fast. So very cool. Created by a mother for her daughter's sensitive skin. Also very cool. So looking forward to trying that for nasal discomfort. Great for spring colds. So very cool. Looking forward to trying that. That sounds lovely. So here is another fun item. They always have their own branded, some kind of booklet. A lot of times there's a journal or some kind of cool thing like that. So this month we have a scratch off activity booklet, and it contains, let's see, number 8, yearly self-care bucket list. The value is $10, and basically it is to help reset our minds and bodies and gives us some blanks so we can choose a self-care item, task, if you will, to do each week. 2, 3, 4. I think there's like roughly 4 or 5, 1, 2, 3 in each month. And the idea is to scratch one off and see if you can tackle it that week. So I'm looking forward to trying that. I'm a little behind because it is not the beginning of January when I'm doing this, but we all know how that goes. It's never too late. So looking forward to trying that. Some fun scratch off ideas. Oh, and the last thing. Oh my gosh, so fun. I had to move it because I had to preview all this before I showed you. So the last thing I'm actually really excited about Where is it? There we go. Number 4. These, so cute. Willow Collective fuzzy slippers. So they just look like normal fuzzy slippers, right? But the bottom is like flip-flop material and the top is like as soft as a bunny. So for me, I need practical items. Oh, let's give you the price point here before I lose track. Number 4, $30. So aren't they cute? But look at how like flexible the sole is. So for me, right? I will only wear slippers if I can run outside with them or chase the dog or make breakfast or any of that stuff. Aren't they so cute? So super cute and comfy. Little slippers. So that was my box. I paid $35 and plus tax. So just under $40 for a huge array of goodies. So that is my review of Therabox and one of the reasons that I subscribe to it every single month. So if you are interested in checking it out, I'll leave my little link below. And if there is a box that you think I would love to review, let me know. I'll check it out. I do get 1 or 2 every month with my spending money. Thanks for watching.